second, your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so say. So today's video is DIY Avalanche Slime, and it's very easy to make, and if you let it sit for a couple days you'll see the magic happen. So thanks for watching this video, and let's get on with the video. So the first thing you'll need to make this avalanche slime is something to mix in and something to mix with food coloring, or you could use paint or markers, whatever, it's optional. And clear glue. I'm just using this gallon, this color splash one, and slime activator, and a container to put in your slime. So you're gonna start off by pouring in as much glue as you want. I poured a lot because I was gonna divide this into 3 and then add the food coloring because it is an avalanche slime. But you can put as much as you want, and then just activate your like regular slime, and yeah. After activating your slime and kneading, you basically, well, this is how much I got. You basically want to put it into 3 pieces. Well, tear it apart into 3 pieces. You don't have to put, you could do it 4 or 2, however much you like, but I just did into 3, trying to see, trying to like make it like, I guess, equal. Yeah, and yeah, so basically after you divide your slime, your clear slime, you're gonna wanna like, I guess, put food coloring. I used yellow, blue, and red. Those were my color choice. You could choose whatever colors, I just choose those. And yeah, let me just be quiet and show you guys what I basically did. As you can see, I put the slime, the yellow slime, to the side and left like more space so I could put the blue and the red. Basically, you just want to repeat that process until you're done with the slime, coloring the slime. So that, as you can see, I just split that apart again and dyed it blue, mixed it, and then put it into the container. You get the point. So now that I'm done coloring the slimes, I'm just gonna fix it up, I guess you can say. Like, fix the slime up, make sure that, like, not mixed, but like, it's well, good combined, whatever. Putting away my food coloring, and now we're gonna move on to like the white glue slime. So what you're gonna need is something to mix in, something to mix with, white glue. So now you're gonna start off by pouring in your glue. You do not want to make a lot because it's just the top layer, and like you could spread it out, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I forgot to add this in the ingredients, but you're gonna need foaming hand soap, and this smells like apple, green apple. Bro, you need to get this. I got this at the Dollar Tree, It is awesome. Oh my god. So anyways, I just put like 3 or 4 pumps. Then you want to put in some activator. I don't know if it shows. Oh wait, they're gonna show now. You want to put some activator while you're mixing so it could like start combining, I guess. And that's a trick I learned to make your slime stick. Yeah. So the sad part, or funny to you guys, whatever, is in this video, and my phone falls. So I'm gonna just stop talking and let you guys hear while I was recording. No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! So yeah, that was very sad. I almost thought I lost my phone, but thank God it survived. And now basically just add your activator and yeah. After you have your slime ready, you want to take your clear slime that you made before and basically open it. And now you, what I did was I got little pieces of the white slime and I separated. I didn't want to put it all at once because then I guess like if I would have spread it out, it would like messed up the clear slime. So as you can see, they're putting, sorry for the blurriness. I checked and I fixed it. So basically I just put little by little and yeah. I did the slow-mo. Why? I don't know. But this is basically how you do the avalanche slime. If you want to see it clear up, you should go check out and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it in the description box below. And I'll add a video of it clear and me mixing it. And again, thank you guys for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.